What's the meaning of claw? Claw. Claw.
Claw. Claw. A claw is a sharp, curved body part or tool used for grasping or digging. It is typically found on animals such as birds, cats, and crabs, but may also be used as a tool by humans. Claws can be used for self-defense, hunting, climbing, or manipulating objects. Their shape and size vary depending on their purpose, but they are generally strong and efficient at their intended task. Claws can be both intimidating and useful, making them an interesting and important part of many organisms' anatomy.